Hello guys, I'm gonna talk about how you can make a $15 for 15 minutes or $100 per 100 hour. You're gonna make that amount of money in one single website. But before we get in the video, there's a fun fact. The average minimum wage for the US person is $12 per hour, and UK that's £8 per hour. But this website gonna pay you $15 per 15 minutes, or if you are lucky, you can make $100 per hour. Before we get in the video, subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. Please stick on my video because I'm gonna give two surprises at the end of the videos. I make money making videos, motivation videos, life changing videos. We're gonna share the free knowledge here, not selling courses. So show your support by liking this subscribe button. Sorry, show your support by clicking the subscribe button and the bell icon. And if you like my video, please like and share. So what you need is a very simple step. Sign up the website. Don't worry, I'm gonna show the website in a couple of minutes. Before you sign up the website and follow the step and do the test and get paid every single time. So what you need a microphone, smartphone, laptop, internet. Laptop or smartphone is fine. Definitely everyone have internet. Definitely you need a Google Chrome and ability to communicate in English. Even though you can't speak that properly, but if you can understand, if you can follow the step, you can speak clearly, that's enough. And you must be 18 years old, and you need to have a PayPal account, which is free to create. This website called Validity. So you make money by testing website. So you follow the steps and answer the questions by testing the website, and you get paid. Okay, so the first sign up and start taking test and get paid through PayPal. And you can go and get the important information here. So the one thing I'm going to show you how you can sign up, and going to show you inside like a review, so you can see what is the requiring and everything before you sign in the page. So click start making money. Will take you to the sign up page. So you need to create an account. So you click create an account. Then you need to answer certain questions. The question like what mobile device I had an Android. So what computer you own? I own Windows 10, mail. I don't want to show you what year I am born and what type of degree I have, a college graduation, and I am self-employed. And what industry are you working? Basically, industry like material. Okay, I can type retail because I'm selling online, right? So click retailing. What is the title? CEO, because you are your own CEO, right? You are self-employed, so you can see. Okay, one page, chief executive. Okay, what is the household income? I don't make that money. It is less than a 10 grand per year now, so I'm gonna click this one. What is the full name? I need to hide this part, and over again I need to hide this part also. And what is the PayPal? You need to give, this is the important thing, you need to give accurate PayPal email account, because if you made a mistake, they will send the money to the different PayPal account, then you can't get it. If you don't have a PayPal account, you can go and create it. It's gonna take less than 2 minutes to create an account. Password. Okay. And detect my location. What time zone are you living? I don't know. Okay. Then click next. And you have to read the term and service and privacy policy. Then yes, I am agree. It will take you to the final page. Thank you for signing up. You having sent in a confirmation email. Okay, I need to go back to my email. I need to confirm that. I will come back when I go to the dashboard, guys. Okay, before you start the test, you need to do the screen test this website, which gonna test you have a Google Chrome or you have a webcam, your microphone, we're going to detect everything. So take screen test. So we're going to take at least 1 minute to finish the screen test. Okay. With a make money testing website from your home. We are recruiting people to test website from their home or office. If you select to join our panel, you will get email about the test that you can take. To be applicable, you need to take this quick screening test. It only take 1 minute, okay? This is where your task instruction will be up here, okay? Next. That this is the way your instruction will appear. Okay, I'm ready to begin the test. Between the test, install. Yeah, this is the thing. You need to install validity extension. So then click install. Okay, we'll take the like a Google extension. So add to Chrome. Okay, I installed the icon already. So it doesn't appear anything. So I went back and clicked take screen test now, and this page again opened. So I click next. Okay, I begin the test. Let's see what happened. Okay, microphone is connected. Okay, unmoderated testing. You want to allow. Okay, hi there. Okay, microphone check, please. Hi there. Okay, and please say out the loud. Okay, I'm ready to begin this session. Okay, you have to test screen test. Now we're gonna test the. Well, okay. The next step, please select the screen you want to share. Okay. Share. Okay, start the task. Okay, what project one, change color. Okay, click change color. Okay, what is to the up? Okay, remember to blink out loud. Okay, task not that but okay, hide the task. Okay, you need to talk loudly. So even though you don't understand anything, just speak out loudly. Design. Okay, change color. New widget. Okay, the project. Okay, just click and to click here. What is this? Okay, I don't understand. Add project. Okay, I don't understand. Oh yeah, this app is about to do app. Okay, is like uh, like a notepad that you need to manage. So guys, it's okay. It's a notepad that managing an app. Okay, I did that and complete task. Let's see what happened. What Intuit complete the task? Yes. Any suggestions to make it easier? Just give your own opinion, guys. Yes. Instructions need to be simple and better design and color. I don't like the color and the design. Let's see what happened. Okay, thank you. You can all close the tab. Okay, closing the tab. Okay, I did that. Guys, I did the screen test. I did the initial test. I didn't see what this is the complication about this website. There's no clarity, so I need to sign in this page and see what happened. Informed, so I sign in the page again. When I do sign in the page, it asks me to do the screen test again. So I click the screenshot. It takes this page and there's a time session out because I already completed the screen test. So all I have to do is sit and wait. When I pass the screen test, my test will be available. So the basic things about this website is Validity is another website that you can make money by answering website testing. So you can make money by testing website and app for the companies. The website pay you $15 per minute, or if you're lucky, you can make $100 per hour. So this is the basic simple website. This fun site for the marketers is not for you. So come here and click this button get paid to test. It will take the page, follow the step I show you before, and you have to do the initial screen test. Then you are allowed to get paid when the tests are available. All right, guys. Before we finish the video, there's two surprise is this. Like I did the live streaming, the giveaway is still open. I will do the giveaway when I reach 1,000 subscriber on live. So please subscribe if you are new to my channel. And the second surprise is I'm gonna build a WordPress website. I talked about it in previous video, but nobody contact me. If you want me to build a WordPress website, I will do that for you. So the WordPress account is free to create. So I have access to unlimited premium themes from Elementor. So I can download one of the theme and upload for you and create a simple website for you. So if you want me to build a website, please contact me through my email and say what kind of website you want. Before that, subscribe, like my videos. Thank you guys for watching.